Remodeling your kitchen can change the look and feel of your entire home. Need some inspiration to get started? We're going to break down how the studio cabinet door was used with this design. With 4-inch stiles and rails and a recessed panel, the studio is a great choice for a variety of styles. In this remodel, transitional design is used to create a welcoming environment. Crisp white studio cabinets and creamy quartz countertops contrast beautifully with the practical, darkly stained hardwood flooring. Stainless steel appliances and a classic farmhouse sink complete the main structure of the room. These clean, simple choices make a great base to be more experimental with accessories. Trendy, Bohemian-inspired light fixtures and natural textures are easy to adjust or swap out to create a fresh feel. Invest in timeless basics: cabinets, countertops, appliances, and flooring. If you have any questions or need help getting started, just give us a call or send us an email. We're always happy to help.